Hey guys, welcome back to LarGOA 101, and today I'm going to be posting a vlog just to let you know, maybe tomorrow. And today's Boxing Day. I don't know if my dad's going to take me. Maybe he does, then he doesn't, that's great, but if he doesn't, then that's terrible. So today I'm going to show you, and this is a slime one, so today I'm going to show you how to fix your slime. And by the way guys, I didn't copy no one, I actually figured this out by myself with my beautiful slime smoothie. So, to make a slime stretchy without lotion or hot water, the secret ingredient, and this also works on clear slime, because this has clear in it, so this does work too. All the ingredient you just need is hair gel. So I'll get my hair gel. So how about my finger? So now I'm just gonna put it on the slime. And all you have to do is just knead it. Ah! As you saw that bubble in case you did. So by the way guys, don't forget to like this video, like, subscribe, turn on the notifications on so you know I post. And by the way guys, I'm really sorry if I haven't been posting for a while. It's because I have to do a lot of things. But now since it's the school holidays and it's almost Happy New Year and I'm ready to post a lot. So please like and subscribe and see you in my next video or vlog.